Another week at Spotify Camp Nou, and the pace never let up. From the compression ring to the ceramic slats, from Superpillar concreting to the third tier reaching completion, this was a week that delivered on every front. Here is everything that happened. The week opened on Monday with two large ring sections that were arriving at the lateral storage area, slings already fitted and ready. Two concrete pumps were active simultaneously, one at the lateral and one at the south goal curve, a sight that was not seen in some time. The third tier seating was in its final stage, with only the last uppermost profiles remaining. Tuesday was the day the lift everyone was waiting for arrived. Crane TC3 placed section 12 into position, pushing the ring further toward the south goal. Workers were on the bolts immediately after placement. Ceramic slat deliveries were spotted being unloaded at the south goal curve, and inside the tribune right side cores, the first concrete slab was placed, a breakthrough moment for that phase. By Thursday, section 13 was going up. It was lifted at 11 in the morning by TC3, guided with millimeter precision between the last installed section and the radial beam. Topographers were monitoring every movement, while workers at each end were directing the descent inch by inch. TC3 was briefly in an unplanned maintenance stop afterward, with 4 operators who were climbing the mast, but was fully operational again by early afternoon. At the north goal, the ceramic cladding machinery was back on site with full pallets confirmed ready, and the first slat was spotted being placed. Before we wrap up the week, we are just 35 subscribers away from 1,000. This channel is growing the same way this stadium is. If you have been watching all week and have not subscribed yet, now is the moment. Hit that button and help us get there. Saturday was the standout day of the week, and section 14 was the headline. Crane TC3 was lifting one of the wider, larger boxes into position around 5:15, with workers who were moving immediately to begin bolting the moment it landed. 14 sections were now placed, 110 remaining to complete the full ring. Another large section was delivered to the lateral storage area the same morning and was already slung and ready for the next lift, confirming the one section per day rhythm was holding strong. Superpillar concreting was pushing clearly into tribune territory, with 2 concrete pumps that were running simultaneously, keeping the rhythm uninterrupted. The intermediate logistic floor was advancing with galvanized metal decking that was going down across both the south goal and tribune curve zones. New anchor brackets were confirmed installed at the south goal ceramic slat superstructure, and welders were completing base connection pieces for the next segments. The painter was back in the tribune steel framework, applying black protective coating. And a VIP ring section that was completely open on Friday was found fully enclosed with sandwich panels by Saturday evening. Full closure in a single day. At the north goal, ceramic slats were continuing to spread on the lower section at a solid pace, with sandwich panels on the left side core that were climbing close to the first cantilever level. A personnel elevator tower was installed at the north goal tribune corner, improving crew access between levels. The parking ramp fill compaction was almost level with the lateral zone, a quiet but long-awaited milestone. That was the week at Camp Nou. 14 sections were in, the third tier was transitioning, ceramic slats were moving, Superpillars were advancing, and interior work was ramping up across every zone. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, we were 35 away from 1,000. You could be the one that gets us there.